Long, long ago in ancient times, I was a young boy, and in my school we had a class called Home Economics. In Home Ec, you learned basically how to survive in the wild. It was my favorite class. You learned how to read a recipe, thread a sewing machine, and shop on a budget, but best of all, we learned the very basics of how to cook. Nowadays, there's nothing about threading sewing machines on any standardized test, so home ec has been dropped from just about every curriculum everywhere, and generations have finished school and moved on to living alone, or worse yet, are the caretakers of a new family without having even a little bit of preparation in how to feed yourself and others. Combine that with all the working single parents trying to manage everything at once with limited time and a limited budget, and you have a recipe for some food choices. Just an example, one of the easiest things to cook for you or your family is a roasted chicken. It's easy, but it takes time, and it's not usually what a rushed mom or dad wants to try to pull off on a weeknight. But imagine coming home from work and your kid has already taken dinner out of the oven. Or consider the potential of going off to college and being the only person in your dorm who can make a killer meal over a hot plate. Everyone should know how to feed themselves, beyond mac and cheese from a box or frozen dinners. On this channel, I offer quick lessons to get you up and going. Kitchen Survival 101, call it. I'll show you the basics to the best of my ability, and hopefully we'll have a laugh or two while you're making progress. There's nothing complicated here, nothing requiring a ton of coordination or technique. If you can cross the street safely and tie your own shoes, at least the first half of tying your own shoes, you can do everything that I'll be doing. So subscribe, pick a video, and get started. Go. Peace. Go.